Hello everyone. Last time I already showed you how to solve multi-step inequalities using a calculator. Now today I'm going to show you how to solve a system of equation in word problems using a calculator. Okay, so let's take a look at this example right here. Alright, so the question is scientists study the weights of two alligators over a period of 12 months. Use the table below to determine the initial weight and the rate of growth for alligator 1 and alligator 2. After how many months did the alligators weigh the same amount? Okay, so given two tables right here, we need to determine if this is a linear function. Okay, so let's see. We need to find the change in S. So you see that the change in S every single time change in S is 1. Okay, now change in Y right here, it should be, in order to get 5.5 from 4, we're gonna add 1.5, and then we keep adding 1.5, 1.5, right? So the rate should be 1.5 divided by 1. Okay, 1.5 change in Y divided by change in S. Okay, so change in Y it should be 1.5 divided by 1. Okay, so it should be 1.5. Alright, so this tells us this is a linear function. Now we check the second one to see if it's a linear function. Now ask every single time S goes up by 1, right? Okay, and the Y value right here goes up by 1, right? Okay, alright, goes up by 1. Alright, so this is, you have the rate for the right hand side. Alright, so it should be change in Y divided by change in S. Okay, so 1 divided by 1 should be 1. Okay, so both are linear function. Now we print up the calculator. Okay, so that we have the table right here, we need to hit start. Okay, so we hit start right here. Okay, start, edit. Okay, alright, so we need to go to the left hand side, go up, we clear the table. Alright, same thing, we clear the second column, right? Okay, now we need to input the value 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now look at the right hand side, it should be 4, 5.5, 7, and 8, 8.5. Okay, so it should be 4, 5.5, 7, 8.5. Okay, alright, so then now we know that, right? So I'm gonna combine two tables on the same calculator. Okay, so L1, remember L1 right here, this is the value of S right here. L2 is value of Y right here. So L1 and L2, this is the values for the first tables right here. Okay, now I'm going to do L3 and L4. This is for the second table right here. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now I need to hit start. Okay, count. Okay, now because it's linear function, so we're gonna hit number 4 right here. Number 4 linear function, linear regression AS plus B. Okay, so I hit number 4. Now I need to calculate the first table, which is L1 and L2. Okay, so I go to store right here. I need to hit vars right here. Okay, y vars function right here. Okay, now I need to store the first table right here. Okay, into y1. Okay, y1. So I hit enter. Alright, I hit calculate. I'm good. Okay, so I already store in y1. Okay, actually the equation should be y equal as plus b. So a equal 1.5 and b equal 4. So it should be y equal 1.5 plus 4. Okay, so I just write right here for sure. Y equal 1.5 s plus 4. Okay, now the second one. Okay, so I hit second. Oh, sorry, I hit start again. I need to go to cal. Alright, I need to hit number 4. Now, the second table should be L3 and L4. Okay, S list should be L3 and Y list should be L4. So I hit I hit second right here. I change it to 3. Okay. Now I hit second right here. While this should be 4 L4. I hit second. I change it to L4 right here. Now I go to store again. I hit var. Go to while var function. Now at this time, because you already store the first table into y1. Now if you keep using i1 and it's gonna be overlapping, and then the first table is gone. So please, you need to go to y2 right here. Okay, y2 right here. Okay, so that you're gonna store the second equation. Okay, so hit enter and then go to calculate, hit enter. Now the second equation should be y equal ax plus b, a equal 1 and b equal 6, so it should be y equal x plus 6, right? So I write y equal x plus 6. Okay, now I'm gonna check to see if it's right or wrong. Okay, so I just okay right here. Now you hit y equal, you will see two equations right there. Look, the first equation and the second equation right here. Okay, now you just hit graph. All right, two equation, you mix at the point right here. This tells us that after how many months did the alligators weigh the same amount. Okay, so right here the x value tells us how many months. Okay, the y value tells us the same amount of weight. Okay, all right, so how do we know the intersection right here? So basically you need to hit second trace. Okay, now the intersection should be number 5 right here. You hit number 5. Okay, now you just hit enter 3 times and you get the answer. So 1 2 3. Okay, so intersection should be 4, which is, it tells us after 4 months. After 4 months. All right, two alligators have the same amount of weight, which is 10 pounds. Okay, 10 pounds. All right, so I have s equal 4. That is my answer. So the answer, sorry, because the question ask you how many months. So it should be s equal 4 months. And that's it. That's the answer. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye.